Hi, this is Darren Gill, Chief Product Officer at Veveo, and I've created a series of videos to demonstrate our mobile application, and I wanted to do a just quick intro as to what you're seeing and why Veveo's approach is different. First, we see mobile phones as similar to Swiss Army knives. Each blade in a Swiss Army knife is like an application on a mobile device. And it's often not the best tool, but it's the tool you always have with you in your pocket. Can get the job done quickly and easily. What's happening is the mobile phones are starting to become more and more complicated, more and more capable, but I think it presents a great opportunity for mobile search because access to what it is you need and what it is you want next is becoming more and more difficult as the devices become more and more capable. The screens aren't getting any larger or not significantly larger, yet they can do so much more. So with mobile search, we think a few things are really important. One is you need to blend on-device content and network content into the same experience. There should be one search box, and a user doesn't really care whether it's on-device or in the network. It should be able to get it quickly if they get what they want quickly. The second thing I think is important is that it should learn personalization, learn context, learn what I do and when I do it, what I like to listen to, which apps I like to use, which apps I like to link into, whom I like to call or contact. So that should be an engine that learns on behalf of me because it's the device that I carry 24/7. The other thing that I think is a huge opportunity, which hasn't been tapped into yet, just as web search helped us to deep link into portals and websites to make it faster and easier to get at what you want, we should have the same capability within mobile applications. Mobile apps are cannibalizing the browser. People prefer to use an app. It makes sense. It's optimized for the device. It has better features. But we don't have a way of thinking about the movie you want to watch and then deep linking it into the app that's going to show that, or thinking about the sports team you're interested in and then deep linking into the app that has the best content for that team. So this idea of deep linking inside of mobile applications has not been done, and we think it's a huge opportunity. And it may not need to be done with ubiquity across hundreds of thousands of apps. It could be something that if it's done in the top 10, top 20, top 30, and slowly growing would be enough for users to understand the benefit and difference. And we will try to show you that in these demonstration videos of how we're trying to do that. Before we jump there, I want to show you just a little bit about the technology stack so you understand what it is we're doing. We start with the knowledge graph, which you see at the bottom. It's tens of millions of named entities. We've built it over 6 years. We try and incorporate every movie, every television show, every music artist, every sports team, every celebrity, every actor, director, every company, every Wikipedia entry. We've got over 40 million points of interest, local map addresses. All of that is in the knowledge graph, and it is a single ID for each entity, and it's disambiguated. So it's an abstraction that enables us to link to different aspects that a user would interact with, and that is in the content graph. So in the applications, in the mobile application, I'm going to show you a big aspect of the content graph are the mobile applications, but they could also be videos provided by a TV provider. They could be the locations or addresses to be found inside of maps. So for every entity or every application we have in the content graph, we try and attach the appropriate nodes from the knowledge graph. So I've shown you here just a few of the different applications in which we are making this connection between the knowledge graph and the content graph in the demos I've shown you. So you see Duban and MTime and Sina, Chinese Wikipedia, as well as some US-based apps like IMDb, TripAdvisor, Evernote and Dropbox for each individual user. So these are just a few. There are thousands of these that we can make the connections against. But I'm going to break now and let you dive into the actual demonstration videos, but hopefully this is somewhat helpful for you to understand the connections, how we can apply this to your applications, make the right links from what users are doing directly into various applications. Thank you.